You aren't being able to add your friends on Snapchat? I'm here to solve your problems. Hello and welcome to How Logical. In today's tutorial video, I'm about to teach you how you can add your friends again. What you need to do is tap on Snapchat, go to its settings, scroll down, go to Stories, and clear the cache memory. If this doesn't work, we also have another options for you. So let's go and check. Go to Snapchat, go to Add Friends, and add one friend. As you can see, there are a lot of friends to add. Let me add one friend. If this process doesn't work, you can go to the Google Play Store and see if your app is updated or not. If the app is not updated, please do update it. You can also go to Snapchat Help and state that you cannot add your friends. This way, they can help you too. Hope the video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye and take care.